Sin made you angry with me, but then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget, it's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake, my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. Oh, you made us new. So I'll throw off all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget, it's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love, but we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake, my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new. You made us new. You made us new. In humbleness, the Godhead has descended. Though you handcrafted the cosmos, though your words have formed the heavens, are too hard to speak to me. And in your interstellar, yes, cellular, you comprehend our complex. From earthquaking to hearts breaking, you care for our condition. Though you handcrafted the cosmos, loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Heart to heart, you speak to me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Spirit loves me. Yes, Father loves me. Hand in your fathering. Heart to heart, you speak to me. And hand in your fathering. The cosmic triune is close to me. He's missing eternally. Restore to me a love that's never failing.
How did I get so lucky? I die when I look in your eyes, then I come back alive when you touch me. You're the one for me, so here I am to give all I have. I'm in love with you, and you know that it's true. You can always count on me to carry you through. And if you get scared, remember I'll be right there with you.